Did you accidentally hit that new repost button on Instagram and now you want to delete that repost from your profile? Follow my steps and watch this video until the end, because I'm going to show you how to do it in just a couple of steps. The very first thing we need to do is open the Instagram app on our device. I'm quickly going to repost a couple of photos and reels just for the purpose of this video. Then we're going to head over to our profile page by tapping on the little profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you get here, you should be able to see a little Repost section, which should be located right next to the Reels section. If I tap on that and open it, you'll see all of the different photos and Instagram Reels that we reposted. And in order to delete or remove a repost, you're just going to long press on that photo or reel until these options appear, and then tap on the Delete Repost option. That's the first method of doing this. But if you're having problems where you don't see the Repost section on your profile, then I have a solution for you. You're going to tap on the 3 horizontal lines located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open the Instagram settings page. From here, we'll find this Your Activity option and tap on it to open it. Then, the Reposts section should be right under the Comments button. So I'm going to tap here. Now we'll have to click on the Select button at the top right corner. Tap on the reposts you want to remove from your profile, and then hit Delete. This is how you can remove reposts from your Instagram profile. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.